Today, I want to talk about using subtitles to learn a foreign language. So I know a lot of people use subtitles when they watch videos in a foreign language like English. And I think this can be very helpful for beginners. It can help you to understand when people might speak a little quickly, or maybe when they aren't speaking so clearly, or you can't quite understand what they're saying. But after a while, it's important to try to practice without subtitles. So if you think about it in real life, if you're talking to another person, there won't be any subtitles. So I think it's very important to try to practice for this kind of situation. So to practice this, you can try simply not looking at the subtitles or not looking at the video. Or you can try listening to a podcast. So with podcasts, you can only listen. There aren't any subtitles at all. And so this can be really helpful. So this will be difficult at first, but if you keep on practicing, it will get better. Your listening will improve. Okay, I hope that helped. Goodbye.